We got a new sweet product for the builders and enthusiasts, fans and fanatics. How's it going? I'm Tyler from Dynamic Corvettes. What we have here are 58 through 60 custom door panels. The door handles are deleted. If you don't properly delete the door handle, eventually over time, that spot in which you covered up and maybe blocked off from the backside is going to come back and it's going to shrink up and you'll see where that door handle used to be. When you get one of our parts, the mold is completely perfect because the plug was completely perfect. And there will be no trace of where that door handle used to be. There's a car in our shop, we're putting these door panels on with the door handles deleted. And the car will have actuated poppers that will open and close the door. We made the mold for a completely new door panel because if you just covered the hole up, eventually over time, no matter how you do it, it's gonna shrink back. This way you have a perfect part with continuous fiberglass and no chance of shrinkage. So at this point, the molds have been cleaned with soap and water and dried, and now we're into our 3-step mold prep process, which consists of a mold cleaner, a sealer, and a release. We use this high quality prep process to ensure that you have a Class A finish on every part that you receive from us. And this is just one of the many cool and unique parts that we produce weekly here at Dynamic Corvettes.